Hello everyone. In today's video, we will be talking about the three-tier warehouse architecture. Before we get started, let me introduce myself. I'm Shalini from XPC Bangalore, bearing the USN 1V20CS 134. So the three tiers in this architecture are the bottom tier, the middle tier, and the top tier. Let's begin with the bottom tier. It is a warehouse database server that is almost always a relational database system. The backend tools and utilities are used to feed data into the bottom tier from operational databases or other external sources. For example, we have the customer profile information that is being provided by an external consultant. These tools and utilities perform data extraction, cleaning, and transformation, as well as load and refresh functions to update the data warehouse. For example, we have to merge similar data from different sources into a unified format. Next comes the middle tier. This is an OLAP server that is typically implemented in two ways. So, what is an OLAP? It is online analytical processing. It has two models, a relational OLAP model, which is an extended relational database that maps operations on multidimensional data to standard relational operations. Then the other one is the multidimensional OLAP, which is also called as MOLAP. This model, it is a special purpose server that directly implements multidimensional data and operations. Next comes the top tier. The top tier is a front-end client layer which contains query and reporting tools, analysis tools, and or data mining tools. For example, we can say trend analysis, prediction, and so on. So this is the diagrammatical representation of the three-tier data warehousing architecture. So as you can see, the different sources of data here are the operational databases and the external sources. From here, the data is being extracted, cleaned, transformed, loaded, and refreshed. So what are these steps? So extraction in this phase, the data from different or multiple heterogeneous and external sources is being collected or being extracted. And then in the cleaning phase, the errors are being detected in the data and they are being rectified if possible. And then in the transformation stage, the data is converted from the legacy or the forced format to the warehouse format. And then in the load stage, it is being sorted, summarized, consolidated, etc. All that is being happened in this phase. And then the last phase is the refresh phase. In the refresh phase, the data is being propagated from the sources to the data warehouse. And then we arrive at the bottom tier. Here, monitoring and administration of the data is being taken place. And we have the data metadata repository which contain the data related to the data warehouse. Like they contain the data of the data that is being in the data warehouse. And the data warehouse has different models, which we'll discuss in a later video. One of the model is the data marts, which has like a specific information from the data warehouse. So all these are under the bottom tier. And then this warehouse is being connected to the OLAP servers. Even the data marts are being connected to the OLAP servers, which come under the middle tier or the OLAP servers tier. From here, the output is taken to the top tier, and the output can be in the form of a query report or an analytical report or a data mining report. And this is the front end tools. So these are the three tiers of the data warehousing architecture. Thank you.